This morning, Alex Murdaugh is again under arrest. This time because of missing settlement funds in the wrongful death lawsuit of his former housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield. Gloria's sons allege Murdaugh kept millions of dollars in an insurance settlement, money they say was intended for them.
It's not a day that they're relishing, but they do have grace and a lot of appreciation towards law enforcement.
Murdaugh's lawyers say their client intends to fully cooperate in the ongoing investigation. Last month, law enforcement also opened a criminal investigation into Satterfield's death. 2018 court documents say Satterfield died as a result of injuries from a trip and fall accident in Hampton County. One of 3 active investigations Murdaugh has been tied to in recent months, including the unsolved murders of his wife and youngest son in June, and the investigation into Murdaugh's assisted suicide attempt in September. Although law enforcement has never publicly identified Murdaugh as a person of interest in the June double murder, Murdaugh's lawyer Jim Griffin made headlines in an interview earlier this week with WHNS.
SLED has said from the get-go that Alex was a person of interest.
Griffin adding it's obvious Murdaugh would initially be investigated since he's the husband and father of the victims.
And you would think that if Alex was the one who did it, they would have come up with something to link Alex to the murders. Forensically or independent evidence. And to my knowledge, they've not done that.
When asked about the comments by NBC News, Murdaugh's lawyers say they don't know if their client is currently a person of interest. Murdaugh's lawyers have maintained Alex was at the bedside of his elderly mother the night of the murders. South Carolina law enforcement did not respond to requests for comment.
So, Catie, if convicted, how many more years behind bars is he potentially facing with these latest charges?
Well, they're pretty serious charges, Savannah. Each count comes with a possible sentence of 10 years. That in combination with the charges he is already under, it could be a lot of time if he is convicted. Additionally, South Carolina investigators yesterday put out a release saying this is just one step in what they consider a long process to bring justice to all the victims in these investigations. Savannah.
All right, Catie, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.